How to fix Roblox white screen glitch. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the white screen issue in Roblox. It's a quick and easy process, so now let's get started. First of all, you need to right click on the Roblox icon and select Properties. Next, go to the Compatibility tab and click on Change Settings for all users. You will see several different options and make sure to enable the following: the first one, second one, and the last option. Then select Windows 8 from the drop-down menu and click on Apply, followed by OK twice. Next, type in background apps in the search bar and turn off all the applications listed there. After that, open the Task Manager on your device by right-clicking on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Make sure to close any background applications such as Google Chrome, as they can consume a lot of memory. And that's it. I hope this helps. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.